Are you looking for natural, effective ways to keep your skin youthful and glowing? Today, we'll dive into some easy anti-aging remedies you can try at home using simple ingredients from your kitchen. First, start with a gentle cleanser to refresh your skin. Take a teaspoon of raw honey, rub it between your fingers, and massage it onto damp skin. After 5 minutes, rinse with lukewarm water for a soft, clean glow. Hydration is key for anti-aging. After cleansing, warm a few drops of argan oil in your palms and press it onto your skin. Argan oil is lightweight and full of antioxidants, perfect for reducing wrinkles and keeping your skin plump. Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells for a brighter complexion. Mix 1 tablespoon of oatmeal with 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Gently massage this scrub onto your skin, then rinse for instant smoothness. Nourish your skin with this creamy avocado and honey mask. Mashone half avocado, mix in 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply for 15 minutes. Avocado hydrates while honey boosts collagen. For brighter skin, try this turmeric mask. Mix 1 teaspoon turmeric, 2 tablespoons yogurt, and a splash of lemon juice. Apply for 10 minutes, then rinse for a natural glow. Aloe vera is your go-to for wrinkle reduction. Simply scoop the gel from an aloe leaf and massage it into areas with fine lines. It boosts collagen production and leaves your skin feeling firm. Stay refreshed with a DIY green tea toner. Brew green tea, let it cool, and pour it into a spray bottle. Mist your face to fight free radicals and hydrate your skin. Reduce puffiness with chilled tea bags. Place green tea or chamomile bags under your eyes for 10 minutes to brighten and refresh. For long-term under-eye care, dab a little almond oil before bed. It hydrates and reduces fine lines over time. With these simple remedies, you can nourish your skin, fight signs of aging, and feel confident every day. The best part? They're completely natural and easy to do at home. If you loved these tips, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your favorite remedy in the comments below. Thank you for watching.